A day with Scouse Liner. Come and join me road painting for a day. The boilers are hot, they need to spin to stop the plastic burning. Yellow is good to go, let's throw some more plastic in. That's coming along nicely, let's grab our jugs and hand moulds. Put everything on heat, remember to keep the work neat, keep it nice and spicy. Thermoplastic won't stick to wet tarmac. This is called a hot dog, we use it to dry the road. Now the road is dry, we can begin to paint. First job of the day complete, off to our next site. A fresh canvas, love painting on new tarmac. We'll start with the giveaway dots. Using a rope we can get a straight line to follow. So let's grab a jug and start. We have 4-inch dots first. Easy, followed by the 8-inch dots. This tool marks the ground with chalk. We'll follow this for our second row of dots. Time to paint the triangles. It's hard to see the speed hump. Triangles will make it more visible. Let's get the pram off. The handwork is done, just the double yellow lines left to do. We'll need the chute and sieve. This chute needs a quick clean. Now we can get some plastic. Set the pointer 200mm to the curb. Now that's complete, let's put everything away and take a look at how we've done. Job done. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.